Last year we recycled over 500,000 flip-flops. We are making something which is so beautiful. My name is Francis Mutua. I'm a flip-flop artist. My heart will save the world. More than 3 billion people in the world wear flip-flops. They are dumped and they go into our oceans. Flip-flops are brought to our shores by the tides of the Indian Ocean. We collect the flip-flops, saving life in the sea. We first wash them, do the carving, do some sanding to smooth the edge. In one day, we can make 6 to 8 animals. Over 900 Kenyans are supported by employment and collection of flip-flops. It's manual, not machine. It's something to be seen. I love my work.